Welcome to Hive of Life. Hello friends, I'm PB, your trusted financial guide. Today, let's talk about securing a golden retirement and creating a legacy with the HDFC Life's systematic pension plan. It's a smart, non-linked, participating pension plan designed to give you peace of mind, flexibility, and consistent income. Let's dive in. Plan for a worry-free retirement. This plan ensures a steady stream of income to support your retirement lifestyle. Whether it's covering day-to-day expenses, funding your dreams, or creating a tax-free legacy for your loved ones, this plan adapts to your needs. Let's explore what makes this plan exceptional. Customizable retirement schedule. You can choose single, limited, or regular premium payment terms to match your financial goals. Tax-free commutation. Up to 60% of your vesting benefit is tax-free, under Section 10(a)(3). No medical or financial underwriting. Get your policy issued within 24 hours without hassle. Liquidity options. Access policy loans and make partial withdrawals up to 25% of premiums paid after 3 years. Grow and secure your investments. The plan offers a high internal rate of return, reaching up to 7.39%, equity participation of up to 50% for longer policy terms. That's growth you can count on. And with the fund maintenance booster, your investments stay on track for the long term. Let me share an inspiring example with you. Meet Mr. Samarth, a 45-year-old entrepreneur. He pays 10 lakh rupees annually for 5 years and accumulate 9.18 crore rupees by the age of 90 years, all while ensuring a tax-free legacy for his children. Flexibility for all stages of life. The systematic pension plan caters to a wide range of customers. Salaried professionals and business owners planning for retirement. Parents ensuring financial independence for their children. Seniors building a tax-free legacy for their families. Why choose the systematic pension plan? It's simple. A vesting age starting at 30 years and extending up to 90 years. Partial withdrawals to meet life's unexpected needs. A tax-free legacy that lets you leave behind more than just memories. With the systematic pension plan, your future is secure, your dreams are funded, and your legacy is intact. Don't wait to plan for the best years of your life. Contact PB Partners today to learn more about the systematic pension plan by HDFC Life and secure your tomorrow with confidence.